What's good also, in this quick tutorial for today I'm just going to show you how you can resize your clips to create a TikTok of it in Premiere Pro. As you can see right now we have like a regular YouTube video aspect ratio, so as I'm trying to make an ad for my dropshipping product on TikTok ads, I would like to change it. So first thing we need to do is we have to select our clip. So I'm just going to double click on that and let's go to sequence, or let's try again. Okay, there we go. Let's go to sequence settings right now and just change it to 180 frame size, and in the horizontal 90 20, because we're looking for this 9:16 aspect ratio. So I'm going to click on OK. Let's click on OK once again, and as you can see the aspect ratio has just changed. So in order to see it better we can select 25% right here and just move our clip the way you like. Okay, so everything looks fine for me. If it does for you as well, then good job, and hope this tutorial was helpful, and see you in the next one.